Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how you could actually customize your YouTube channel homepage. Now, this is something that I think a lot of people who are brand new to YouTube might not think about, or maybe they're just so used to seeing a lot of homepages that they don't really think about how to set it up for their own pages. And I think this is something that is very important for you to set up, because not only is it going to help your presentation of your channel, but it's also going to help your channel grow in the long term, and also handle other things when it comes to getting business or getting inquiries for your channel whenever it gets to the point where that makes sense. So this is my main channel. This is my Geek Outdoors channel. So as you can see here, I have a video that I've chosen to play at the beginning. And then here I have feature channels. And then down here I have different sections. You know, I have my most recent uploads here. I have playlists, a popular upload section. And then I have some of my individual playlists that I show down here. And so the reason why I set it up this way is because I want people to actually see my videos whenever they come to my homepage, and specifically videos that I want them to see, especially if they're brand new to my channel, which a lot of people, if they are brand new to your channel, they'll probably end up on your homepage after they see some of your videos. And another thing that's important is I want to highlight my most recent uploads. So if people like the video that they've seen, then they can watch the most recent uploads that I've had. And other things that are important, at least for me, are having your most popular or the playlist that you want to show people prominently shown on your homepage, so they could quickly get to that point or to discover these playlists that you had. And then on the right, I have feature channels. And so this is really up to you if you want to feature other channels if you want. So not only do I have other channels that I like, but also my own channels as well. I have a movie channel and I have a gaming channel, and I'm going to talk about the movie channel next. And then up here in the top on my channel banner, I actually have links to places that I want people to go to, or maybe to see if they were interested in other things concerning my channel. So that's how I have it set up on my main channel. So now let's look at the other channel that I don't have this set up as, which is my movie channel. So here's my movie channel, and as you can see here, I really don't have anything. I have a video whenever people visit my channel, and I have one section. This is my uploads channel. Now I do have feature channels, and I also have links up here, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set it up in a way that's going to make it more presentable and at the same time help your channel grow whenever people visit it. And so if you go here to your customized channel, you'll be able to edit different sections of your channel. So you go here to customize channel, and then things are going to look a little bit different. And so the first option you see here is your featured content. So basically whenever people either come back to your channel, or more importantly, if they're brand new to your channel. So right now I have it where it's set up for only people who are brand new to my channel. So say I wanted to change this. Right now I have a video that's basically a channel trailer, which I think works well, but I think what works better is to feature your newer content or content that's gotten a lot of views and is very popular in the past. Okay, so in this case, since I have a small channel, I like to feature, you know, my most recent videos or videos that I like. And so I'm going to go ahead and feature this one. Okay, so I'm going to say okay, I'm going to save this. So now this is on new visitors. So now for returning subscribers, you're going to choose feature content, and this works in the same way. Just choose whatever video that you want to show your returning subscribers. And so in this case, you could be a little bit more flexible, so you don't necessarily have to show your most popular videos or a channel trailer, because these are people who are already subscribers or already have visited your channel before. So I'm going to choose the last video that I actually reviewed. I'm going to save this. So now you're going to go ahead and go done. And as you can see, we have videos for people who have visited your channel or are subscribers, or for brand new visitors.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.
So the next thing we want to do is add sections. And so these videos on top are primarily meant to capture people's attention. However, the sections really allow a person to dig even deeper into your content if they like what they saw. And so if you notice here, I already have one section. It's called uploads. And so in this case, you can edit this. You can remove this section if you want. and change the layout as well from horizontal to vertical. And for me, I like horizontal because I feel vertical is kind of hard to see, and at the same time, this might be removed in the future. So I'll just choose horizontal layout. And now let's go ahead and add a section. So here you could choose the type of content, and there's 3 main categories. There's videos, playlists, and channels. And so under videos, you could choose popular uploads, your most recent uploads, or live streams. Now, at least for me, I like to have my most recent uploads because if somebody were to watch your video, then more than likely they want to see some of your more recent videos as well. But you can also choose popular uploads or choose both. Now, in my opinion, I really feel uploads works better, and then you could choose popular uploads later on. So next up is playlists. And in this case, this is one of my favorite things to have because I feel like if you do have playlists, it will really allow a person to not only dig deeper into your content, but also spending more time watching content that they enjoy. So for example, if you have a tutorial type video that really works well for your audience, then you could lead them to a playlist which has nothing but tutorials. So in this case, you can choose created playlists. So what this is going to do is show all the playlists that you've created. Now in this case, it can work, but I really feel that you want to have more control over the type of playlist that you present. So this is not one that I choose all the time. So what I like to do first is I like to choose a single playlist. So that way I could keep it more focused. So in this case, you can choose a horizontal vertical layout. And from choose a playlist, you could choose playlists that you've created yourself or a playlist from another channel. So in this case, I'm going to choose my playlist. And then under find playlist, it's going to load up all the playlists that you have. And in this case, if you've had your channel for a while or you have enough content with playlists, you kind of know what works best for your channel. So in my case, a lot of my anime, movies, and entertainment, people like that playlist. So I'm going to choose that. So that's one. And then I'm going to add another one that people enjoy. So single playlist, my playlist. In this case, it's my sci-fi movies. A lot of people like those. And then finally, I have another one that people enjoy. And that is all my action movie and entertainment reviews. And then I'm going to add one more, which is the popular uploads. So this is how I like to set up my homepage. I really don't do anything else with the actual channel settings feature, but that is it. So as you can see here, I do have my homepage set up. I have the videos for people who are brand new and who are returning. And then I have sections and playlists that I really feel people might be interested in, or that I might want to present to people who might not be aware that I have these available on my channel. So now that you've seen this, let's go ahead and move over to the final section where we edit the links up here to make sure that people can actually contact us or get to know more about our channel if they're brand new beyond just the videos that we have here. And so if you go up here to your channel banner, you'll notice that you can add links. So you can add a link to your website, social media, or other things like Patreon. But before we edit that, let's head over to our channel settings, which is this gear icon here. So you're going to see additional features. The first one is privacy. You can choose to hide or show your subscriptions, save playlists. The next one is customize the layout of your channel. And then finally, we have show discussions tab. Now, out of all of these, the one that I think is most important is the ability to customize the layout of your channel. So have that on, and everything else, that's entirely up to you. So now that we have that done, let's go ahead and edit the sections that will allow you to add links to your channel. So if you go here to About, you'll notice a description. So more often than not, whenever I see a new channel, they normally don't fill this out. But I highly recommend that you put something here in your description for a few reasons. The first thing is that it allows people who are brand new to your channel to know a little bit more about what your channel is about. So I think that is important. And secondly, you're able to add links. So you could add links to other channels that you have or your website. And then finally, this is good for the YouTube algorithm because now it knows something about your channel. And so it makes it easier for it to recommend it to other channels that are similar to yours. And so that's the first reason why you want to add a description. Second to that is adding an email for business inquiries. So this is going to be really important once your channel starts growing. And so if there are businesses or other channels that want to collaborate with your channel, you want to have a way for people to actually contact you. So you could put that there. And then here is your location. And then finally, we have links. So I think this is a very important feature for you to have links, whether it's going to go to your website or your social media. I think you should have something here. Okay, so if you want to add something, you'll go ahead and add. And then if you want to delete, just go ahead and delete. And it's just super simple to do. So in this case, I no longer have Google Plus, or this feature isn't available anymore. So we'll go ahead and delete that. We'll say done. And then if you actually go back to your channel, it's not going to show everything. It's just going to show like the main 4, at least right now, and a website. And so definitely take advantage of this about section because you never know who's actually watching your channel and who might want to collaborate or do business with you in the future. And so that is it on how you could customize your homepage. I think this is a feature that a lot of new YouTube content creators, might not know about or might ignore because they feel that it's not important. But I can tell you right now, having a home channel that's customized and really focus on the type of content that you want to present will not only help people who are brand new to your channel, but also help your channel grow in the long term. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you customize your channel, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.